I don't know who need to hear this, but curry goat and roti is top tier combo. Some cravings you ignore, while curry goat and roti and fried chicken is not one of them. Let me show you how I make this. Vinegar, lemon or lime, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some easy spice all-purpose seasoning, better pack curry powder, crushed pimento berries, KHALIA'S Kuisine green gold green seasoning, gonna use a splash of Friend Nephew. If you have a question, let me use it, but don't add it to yours, okay? Cover and allow to marinate. After a few hours, curry powder, pimento, garlic, and ginger. Now cover and allow it to produce its own juices. So this is after 30 minutes. In a bowl, I'm gonna add 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon salt, a tablespoon baking powder. Mix together and combine. To knead the dough, I'm gonna add the water gradually. I'm using lukewarm water. And you want to lightly knead the dough. So just lightly knead it until it comes together like this. So I use about 1.5 cups of lukewarm water, okay? Now we're just gonna cover this and allow it to rest. Let the dough rest, okay? For at least half an hour. We're gonna add just a little bit of water, the pepper, all done. Oh my goodness. You want to get it nice and flat. I'm going to use lard and melted butter. You can use whatever fat you want to use. And then you just roll this up. You see? You're just going to roll this up like a cone. This is what's going to give the flaky layers. So you tuck this part. With one down. We're gonna cover again and allow to rest. So you wanna roll this out flat as possible, okay? See, this is nice and flat and thin. Adding some butter. Add the dough. And you want the heat to be on low heat. Add more butter. So in total, we're cooking this for about 1 minute on each side. As soon as the tawa is hot, just turn down the heat and then it'll do its thing. See? Look at, oh my goodness. Look at all these flakes already. No, sir. Look at that. So I'm just repeating what I did before. Then we add butter again. Flip. Proud of myself, you know. Oh, baby. I've been craving curry goat for the longest. Ooh. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Let's try the curry goat. No, sir. God. Thank you, Jesus. Cheers. The food busts just like the roti. It busts. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.